We would like to know about mixed number. Mixed number. Can you write down with me super quick? If you have 1 and 2 out of 3, on the top one you call numerator. The bottom one you call denominator. Like a 1 and 2 out of 3. Did you write out like this? Or you write out like a 2 line? Which one you write out at school?
2 lines
2 line แบบนี้หรอ 1 and 2 out of 3 แบบนี้หรอ Oh my god really but I think it's I prefer to write down similar like it
and I also learned at school that like you have to convert the model of a fraction to mixed number and decimal.
Okay, I'm going to teach you now. Quick one, but first you need to know them. 1 here, we call it whole number. And this one on the top one we call numerator. What is the
Denominator.
Yes, very good. Denominator. How about we convert them from the mixed number to improper fraction? Do you know the word improper fraction? Why it's not just fraction? Why it's called improper? Because I show you why. Because if it's improper fraction, the numerator is greater than denominator. That's why when we convert it, it tends to be mixed number. Yep. For example, this one, 5 over 3. And another example, how about 3 out of 2? When they call improper fraction, that means the top one is greater than the bottom one. Can you give me another example of improper fraction? What is another example of improper fraction? The one that the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example,
11 out of 10.
Yes, that's very good. That's correct. Let's see how can we convert mixed number to improper fraction. For example, if you have number 1, you have 1 and 1 out of 2. Great. Again, at your school, did you write out it's like a 2 line like this? Really? I'm going to write out like 1 line. What you're going to do is, because it's the first one, I'm going to make it super big here for you. Yeah? Okay. What you're going to do here, 1 and 1 out of 2. The first step, you do it like 2 times 1 is 2. And then you plus it here, plus 1. Does it make sense? Is this a concept? This is a concept. So, what is half? 2 times 1 is 2. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. You write down 3 here. And the denominator have to be the same. So, it is 2. Can we try to do more? Okay. Let's do number 2 here together. Number 2. I'm going to write out in the simple side now. I have 1 and 2 out of 3.
Three times 1 equals 3, and 3
Yeah.
plus 2 equals 5, I don't think.
Yeah. Okay. Do you know the concept ไหม Yes, that's correct. 3 times 1 is 3. And then 3 plus 2 is 5. So it's equal 5. Denominator have to be the same. So it's 5 out of 3. Does that make sense, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let me write down here. 5 out of 3. We would like to convert mixed number. Now I make it more complicated. We have 2. And then we have, look at the color นะคะ 1 over 3.
Okay.
Great, can you write down 2 and 1 out of 3?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready ค่ะ Okay, first of all, we know that the denominator have to be the same, yeah? What is the denominator?
3.
3. I put 3 here straight away because I know that it needs to be the same anyway. 3. Okay, let's do it. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is... Grace, 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, I write down here 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So your answer is 7 out of 3. Does that make sense ไหมคะ
Mm-hmm.
Now, I would like to try. This one we convert mixed number to improper fraction.
Okay.
To I'm just write down it's super short นะ improper fraction. Fraction. Now I would like to convert fraction improper fraction. Improper fraction to mixed number ค่ะ to mixed number. What we do, we going to use the same improper fraction here. 7 out of 3. Great, where are you now? All good?
Uh-huh.
The concept is you learn short or long division at school or both.
Short, mostly.
Short เหรอ
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so okay, let's try short division together. We put 7 here. Short division นะแป๊บนึงนะคะ But do you know how to do long division?
Yeah.
Okay. Why we have them here? We have 7. Okay. No, but you write down in this way, it depends on school. Okay, but I would like to show you here. I would like to show you both long and short. Let's do short first. You have 7. You divided them by 3. 7 divided by 3, you have 2, yep. Because 3 times 2 is 6, and you have remainder 1. Does that make sense? But let me do long division for you. I do both. You have 7 divided by 3. What is this, huh? 7 divided by 3 is 2. Oh, sorry. 7 divided by 3 is 2. And it's equal to 6. Yep. You minus them. So you have remainder 1. Does that make sense, huh? So that means, okay, this one is just our workout. 7 out of 3 is equal to 2. I write down 2 here first. And the remainder, this one is remainder. Remainder is 1 out of the same denominator, out of 3. See, Grace is the same one. Does that make sense for you? Grace, question. But my personal, for my, it depends on how you familiar about short or long division. But I'm quite recommend long division in case that because long division you can see the remainder straight away. Grace, now can you see that you know how to convert mixed number to improper fraction and convert improper fraction back to mixed number? Guess the question. Where are you now from here? Where are you now from here? You want short method is
the end of the long message.
Okay. Let me know when you finish write down them.
Okay, done.
Okay. Grace, you think between convert mix to fraction and fraction to mix, which one you think is more difficult for you? Or same?
It's same.
Yeah. That means if you say like that, that's very good. That means you're able to do both, but you just need to practice, huh? I'm going to give you a favorite. Okay. This one is your homework. Homework, Grace, write down right now, homework. You're going to convert mixed number to improper fraction. Proper fraction, huh? Oops. You want to convert them back as well. And improper fraction to mixed number. Number 1. How many questions do you want?
One.
Ôi, rồi okay, how about I do 2 and 1 out of 5. The next one we do 1 and 3 out of 8. Okay? Just 2. Do the same concept. How about we convert improper fraction to mixed number? You.
Divide the numerator with the denominator, and your answer will be the whole number. Then you have the same denominator, and the remainder, the whole number.
เก่งมาก Grace that's amazing excellent good okay good one any question ค่ะ before we finish
No.
okay don't forget to do homework and I see you on Sunday สวัสดีค่ะก่อนเร็วสวัสดีค่ะ